Greetings to all. We are the Misfits from Delhi, India. Human body is a wonder mystery on earth. In order to sustain and unravel the mystery, technology can play a vital role. Cancer, a catastrophic phenomenon mankind has experienced, breast cancer a part of it. Let's remove the stigma and use technology for awareness and treatment through our app Pink Plus. Pink Plus renders a platform for four types of users. First up is breast cancer survivors. They'll be able to share their stories, and individuals who are facing a cancer diagnosis, hearing stories of those who experienced one already can be an incredible wellspring of solace and strength. Second up is breast cancer patients. Our platform enables sharing of cytology reports with medical professionals by using blockchain for symptom logging, thereby enhancing data security. Third one is medical experts and professionals. Collaborate is a forum for researchers, scientists, and people alike to discuss and collaborate. The functionality of collaboration is that it serves a dedicated chat and discussion panel for each post in the section. Fourth is general public. Individuals can use symptom logging to log their day-to-day health and share it with anyone using any application of their choice, be it mail or instant messaging. To bring in diverse groups of people to interact, individuals from the general public can take part in our campaigns as well.
The iOS and iPadOS applications lie at the core of Pink Plus. They are developed in Swift along with the accompanying watchOS tracker. For data storage purposes, we use Firebase real-time database and a private blockchain. We were able to implement a minified Gale model and get within 1% of the famed BCRT model. This implementation does not depend on any external APIs and network calls. It is completely in-app and written in Swift, giving the users total control over their privacy. All health data and symptom logs are stored on the native blockchain to further enhance privacy controls. Pink Plus uses three machine learning models for helping in early detection and effective prognosis: the blood and cytology report evaluators for diagnosis, and the recurring tumor detection model available to doctors. All are Python Flask APIs deployed on Heroku. The app conforms to the human interface guidelines and it is ready for deployment on the App Store.
The accuracy for blood test analysis model is 75%, for cytology report analysis is 93%, and lastly, the accuracy for tumor analysis is 85%. App structure: Pink Plus is divided into 5 sections: wellness, support group, survivor stories, breast cancer education, and campaigns.
We provide symptom logging and sharing services to all our users. Our Apple Watch tracker can also be used for registering these logs. All this private data is visible anonymously to medical professionals only who can leave their remarks on the logs. Our Gale evaluator gives a breast cancer risk percentage to the user. Additionally, users can use our ML evaluators to self analyze their blood reports or to upload their cytology reports for evaluation by a medical expert. We believe that the aggregate of all these features will help us in early detection of breast cancer.
Next up, support groups. They give us strength and help us realize that we are not alone, and it is not just mine, but our battle. We have a diverse array of groups based on various communities and categories of users, making it easier for them to get in touch with survivors and experts. Survivor stories. Stories of victory give us hope and inspire us to not give up. When we hear testimonials of people overcoming the struggles we are currently facing, it gives us immense strength and positivity to keep fighting.
The intended purpose of this section is to reduce the stigma of breast cancer. Professionals can upload educational content which is divided into 5 categories. Now, assessing awareness levels of large population is mandatory for any product to be acceptable and adaptable in the market. And the creation of a Google form was the right step in the right direction, which gave us an insight as to what all inhibitions people have in discussing about this problem. We used the responses for data analysis that gave us the foundation for infographics, which will be an effective tool for creating a bridge for transference of information and measures to, if not stop, at least pause this menace in the society at large.
Campaigns are an important part of our project. We have identified 4 different ways to cover up a large part of the population to raise awareness for breast cancer. Pink Plus provides a template that strictly follows the community guidelines of YouTube for the artists for spreading the required information with their fans. Social media provides the people with a new filter approved by Instagram for creating awareness with their long chain of friends. Print media is the most crucial segment as it covers every corner of the nation, irrespective of the age group, and a specific Pink page can be dedicated for the same. Online classes is a way to create an atmosphere for the younger generation by introducing a non-evaluative subject to draw their and their parents' attention.
For our future work, we shall create a global community for non-profitable organizations for fundraising. Also, deep learning analysis has already beaten doctors, and therefore we are considering self-diagnosed mammography feature in our model. And we will extend our platform by creating an Android app, a website, and by adding multilingual support. For our additional future campaigns, we can spread the word by sports and gaming industry too.